Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites in place and opening the project now. Once Node.js and Git are installed, open the project folder in Vscode and use the integrated terminal to avoid context switching. Make sure to install Live Server, EaseLint, and Prettier so you can run, lint, and format quickly. Create package. JSON with npm init y if missing, then install a minimal dev server, because you want a fast feedback loop while editing files. Once done with setup, define and run scripts to execute your app. Add a start script in package. JSON and run npm install so all dependencies are available. Use npm run start to launch the dev server. If you use a framework, run its dev command for hot reload. Make sure to create a Vscode/launch. JSON to enable debugging. Set the runtime, port, and source maps. Then place breakpoints and start the debugger so you can inspect variables and step through logic. You finish by previewing and building, then verify everything works. Open the app in the browser with Live Server or the dev server. Inspect console and network for missing files or runtime errors. When ready, run npm run build and serve the build folder to validate production behavior. If something breaks, stop the server, read terminal logs, and delete node modules plus package lock. JSON then reinstall with npm install. This often clears corrupted installs. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.